So, part 4 of running away. Okay, well, let me just. What the heck? Why is this? Yeah, I knew this wasn't working. Oh, now it works. Part 4, though. Okay, so she's actually having fun here. Okay, I don't know if she had to say something. This is so fun. Q, Q, Q. Huh. Was nothing, so take this away because that make me bald. Okay, let me see what to get here. I think I should sit down here and see stuff. No, no. There's a monkey. Okay, what does this thingy has? Nothing. Why? Okay, that was something. Oh, what is this doing here? Yep, what is it doing there? Yay, free stuff, free clothes to be honest. Brushes? I know why. I don't know why. Why do you put brushes there? But I'm not gonna judge. Was someone here? Whatever. If they were, I'm sorry for looking through your bag. Oh, avocados. I don't know if I have bread or whatever. Oh, I don't have bread, so that's the problem. I'm just like cut it. How? I don't even have a knife to cut it. Okay, I'm gonna like make potatoes. A potato. Down, down. I want potato that big. Okay, now avocado and tomato. I made this. But that was a combination. But okay. Can I get my drink? Oh, forgot. I've gotten beans. So beans are actually really good. Get beans. Yeah, I love beans. I want them cooked. So whatever, they're getting cooked. So I'm just gonna wait. Okay, done. I'm so happy. Yay. Okay, now I'm just gonna get that. Oh, that's so good. Like that. That's so good. I love it so much. So actually, I'm not gonna drink any boba. I can survive with boba. So, what to do? Just wanna see the nature or whatever. Yeah, I might just go sleep. No, let's just go to the house. Oh, oh, it's day, so okay. Go. Where are the electronics? Ellie's so gonna get it. Where is she? What happened? What happened? Honey, honey. Oh, yeah? I think Ellie ran away or something. Oh my god, I'm gonna get a kid. Okay. I'm gonna get like ocean. I'm just gonna get ocean. Okay, I'm gonna go get Andrew and Ella. Okay, I might just like wear this. With this. How would she run away? I never made her something to run away for. I'm such a terrible mother. Oh, Mama, everything okay with it? Yes, everything's okay. Okay, Ocean. Mommy's just sad because she's here on the way and she no come back. Oh, okay. Hey, Ella. Hey, Andrew. Oh, yes, Daddy. Yeah, yes, Dad. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Get ready, cause your sister's knockout. Ever see her again? Yeah. I don't want she to go bye bye. Me loves this. Don't think that's tough, Andrew. Andrew, I'm not. You're not. Let's go. Let's go, kids. Don't fight. It's not the time to fight. They just leave the house or whatever. No, they don't leave the house. Okay, they leave the house or whatever. Credit for the car is Toka Nora, if you know her. So let's go. I think the family actually okay, disappeared, and I don't know if that is possible, because I don't see them nowhere. To be honest, please, I need this. Okay, look, the family is right here, but why don't I get them? Why? Why? They're not here. What the heck is wrong with this glitch? Okay, I'm getting out of Tokaboka to see if it would. I'm out of Tokaboka, so let's get in. Let's go. Please, not the family. If the family look away, I'm never gonna play Tokaboka ever again. I'm gonna delete it to see if I could get the other again this time. Or is it just a glitch? I should just leave and get in again. Because if I na. Okay, where the heck is the family? Where the heck is the family? Okay, I'm gonna go to the place where I found them, so let's go. Look, where are they? Why are they really? Okay, this has gone wrong so bad. Okay, now this thing seems like it's gone wrong. Okay, let's go to the car. I know, British, and I'm from British. No, from the start, I'm from British. I don't know even how to say British stuff. So this is where are these now? Let's go. I don't know if she's okay or not. This is your problem, not mine. And yeah, she is your daughter too. Yeah, but you did that to make her away from the house. What do you mean? I didn't do nothing. Daddy, wait, what the heck is wrong with my dad? Daddy, don't blame mommy. Don't blame mommy. Mommy, no problem. You problem. You problem. Oh my god. Oh my god. This man sucks. This is the last part. Not the last part. Why? Part 5 is almost the last part. Part 6 is the last part. So, part 4 is this. So, bye. Part 5 coming soon.